Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best mechanical keyboards.
Starting at number 5.
DOS Keyboard 6 Professional. DOS Keyboard has been making premium, office-friendly mechanical keyboards since 2006. The DOS Keyboard 6 Professional is the result of generations of refinement, culminating in a product that's as well built as it is easy to type on. Its double-shot keycaps and aluminum case are made to last a lifetime, and though the keyboard lacks colored backlighting, the elegant white backlight and laser-etched legends will allow you to type into the evening without struggling to see your keys. Its minimalist design may look simple at first, but the traditional design hides a few tricks up its sleeve that set it apart from the competition. The large volume wheel is easy to manipulate and looks great with its gleaming beveled edge. There are dedicated media and lighting controls nearby, as well as a dedicated button to put your system to sleep, which isn't at all common on mechanical keyboards. It gives your PC extra connectivity, thanks to its 2 USB Type-C pass-through ports, which are for plugging in a dongle for your wireless mouse, or topping off your phone while you work. The only drawback, really, is a lack of configuration software, which is rare for a keyboard of this quality. You have every standard key, though, so it's hardly a deal-breaker. The DOS Keyboard 6 Professional is a fantastic, feature-rich keyboard for power users at work and at home.
Coming at number 4.
Razer ProType Ultra Mechanical Keyboard. Razer is well known for its thin gaming laptops and gaming accessories, but the Razer ProType Ultra is built to put in serious work. With clean white keycaps and a simple white backlight, it gives you all of the productivity-enhancing programming and customization options of a gaming keyboard, without the potentially distracting gaming aesthetic. That includes an outstanding 214-hour estimated battery life and the ability to create custom macros to automate complicated shortcuts and repetitive tasks. It also has some office standard features, including the ability to connect and swap among up to 4 devices, and whisper quiet silent switches. The ProType Ultra is more expensive than the average office keyboard. So is its business partner, the Razer Pro Click mouse. And it isn't without its flaws. It features less durable ABS keycaps, but the ProType Ultra is a best of both worlds option that brings some of the features of a gaming keyboard to a top-of-the-line productivity design.
At number 3.
Corsair K70 Max Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. If you aim to dominate in every game you play, Corsair's flagship K70 Max offers powerful features that few keyboards can match. Corsair's K70 lineup has been at the top of its class for years thanks to its responsiveness, customization, and top-notch build quality. The K70 Max takes that to the next level with customizable magnetic switches that can detect how far down you press each key, allowing you to assign and trigger 2 actions as you press a single key. In Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, for example, you can ready a grenade by pressing a key halfway, then throw it by fully pressing down. This same technology allows you to set custom actuation points to give your keys the light touch when gaming and heavier keystrokes to prevent typos when typing. Beyond that distinctive feature, the K70 Max features Corsair's iconic aluminum case, double-shot PBT keycaps that will never shine or look grimy, and top-tier lighting. It also supports 8000 Hz polling, which means it registers new keystrokes every 0.125 milliseconds for the quickest response time possible. The only thing it doesn't have is wireless connectivity, but that's a small price to pay for its superior precision and immense range of customization options.
Number 2 of my list.
Akko 3098S Mechanical Keyboard. If you're looking for a great keyboard on a budget, the Akko 3098S offers great bang for your buck. With excellent connectivity options, a compact yet functional layout for work and gaming, durable keycaps, and a stylish look, it goes above and beyond for a budget mechanical keyboard. The sound and feel of its keycaps are comfortable and satisfying to use, thanks to its intricate construction. The keycaps feature a taller-than-average curvature, promoting a lighter touch to ward off typos on its linear switches. That distinctive shape feels foreign at first, but it's worth spending the time to adjust for the 3098's superior sound and feel.
And number 1.
Newy Halo 96 Mechanical Keyboard. The Nuphy Halo 96 is a surprising, but incredibly well-rounded mechanical keyboard that's perfect for both work and play. It features a distinctive compact full-size layout, which removes the extra space between the primary block of alphanumeric keys and the number pad, crunching the whole keyboard into a more compact frame. This saves space on your desk and looks great doing it, while maintaining most of the functionality of a full-size mechanical keyboard. The Halo 96 is exceptionally well built, with double-shot PBT keycaps, an aluminum case, and layers of silicone sound dampening that fine-tune its sound and feel. It has a special silicone insert in its spacebar, making it one of the quietest keyboards on this list. With full support for wired and wireless connectivity, 3 devices over Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz for low-latency gaming, as well as native support for macOS, you'll have no trouble staying connected to all of your devices. The keyboard is exceptionally customizable. It supports removable switches for easy upgrading and repairability and includes alternate keycaps for Windows and Mac, as well as colorful accent keys to give your workspace extra desk appeal. The only downsides are its limited color choices, white or black, each with colorful accents, and the lack of software for macOS, but since it already comes with all of the standard Mac keys built in, you're not missing much. The Halo 96 is exceptional in nearly every way.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.